These are the Kipika J-Hooks. These are the 2x2 with the 1-inch post version. And real quick, let's go ahead and measure that. So I've got it on the other side. That's about 2 inches right here. If I go here, that's about 2 inches as well. And then for the actual post, that is just under 1 inch, which is perfect. One really cool thing that came in the box that I was surprised at is it came with these kind of a stick-on rubberized pieces here that you can stick right here to fill any extra gaps. If the J-hook is rattling ever so slightly, shouldn't have any issue. One thing I really like about these, there is a rubberized material right here that goes all the way down, and then you have these angle pieces of metal that were welded on here. Everything else feels super solid. I've had zero issue with these wiggling at all, but this bottom part makes this super rigid. So I don't think I'm going to have any issues lifting with these, putting these on my rack. I think they're going to be great, and especially with these guys there. I am impressed with these guys, and I do recommend them.